Grasshoppers have knees. You ever thought about that before? They have knees, just like we do. Um, it's interesting. I taught biology class for a couple of years there, and we had a number of dissections that were planned. Well, I had done dissections in class in high school, but it had been a while since I had done dissections. So I thought, okay, I'm teaching biology. I got to teach the dissections. How do I lead all these little teenagers with these dissections? And I thought, oh, okay, the first one's just a grasshopper, simple grasshopper, no big deal. And then when I started doing the research on the grasshopper, they're the big grasshoppers too, like the really big ones that you can get for dissections. I learned, they're actually not that simple, really. They're pretty complex. They've got a lot of different body parts just still for these little creatures. And there's, how many trillions or quadrillions of grasshoppers are around the world today? I don't know. But it's like, whoa, there's a lot of design. There's a lot of complexity within God's created kinds, right? It's pretty amazing. So just think about that. It's just a grasshopper, but there's so much more. Think about ants. They're just ants, but there's so many around the world. Complex already, even the way they build their tunnels. Evidence of design, evidence of a creator that created these creatures. Hello friends, Brian here out in God's creation, and thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to be able to share more of these creation evidences for God in the Bible from science, that you really can trust Jesus, the real only hope that we can have in this life. Thanks.